Hello and welcome to FTx Academy. In this AdPro training video, we'll be showing you how to edit a template in AdPro. Do you know how to hide a layer? How about importing a graphic? Do you know how to use the media library? We will be covering all this and more in this video. To get started with AdPro, log into Control Center, click on the navigation panel, click on AdPro, then click Browse Templates. This is where you can search through a vast selection of templates that you can use for your business. Anything from car dealers to supermarkets, there are many different options to choose from. You can filter your search by dimensions or by the images. For this example, I will be using a pizza category to select a pizza menu. And I need the template to be a horizontal design that is full screen. Once I have a template I like, I can open it to start editing. The Layers panel is located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can see all the elements in this design. All the layers are labeled and easy to use. When you click on the eye icon, you can turn on and off the layer. You can also adjust the layer position by selecting and using the arrow icon to restack the layer. The padlock icon indicates the layer is locked. For instance, the background layer is locked and I can unlock it by clicking on the padlock. When an element is selected, it will show a highlighted bounding box. You can move and rotate by using the points at the side of the box. And when you click on the background of the page, it deselects the layer. Also, when right-clicking on a selected image, additional editing options appear. You can adjust the layer position and other layer actions. I can also add a new layer and different elements from the media library to enhance this design. Click on the Add Layers, and in our media library, we have thousands of stock images ready to use. For your design, you can choose from images, shapes, icons, and gradients. For this menu, I will be adding a circle, which I can find by clicking on Add Layers, then under the Shapes category, and then in Elements. I have it selected and I can position it on the template and reposition the layer behind the text. Next, I can change the circle color to red. This makes fast delivery stand out more. Now I can import a logo into AdPro by clicking the Import button. Browse and locate the graphic. Then I can resize it to fit the space. Next, I can start editing the text and changing the phone number and menu prices. The Type tool can add new type to your design. When the text is selected, the type bar is shown at the top of the screen. You can change the font color, the style, the size, as well as the alignment and the text effects. Just click a new font style to your template. Once your design is finished, you can save it. All your templates are saved in My Designs. Now it's ready to use. And if you make a mistake, you can always use the Undo button located at the bottom of the screen and export it as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Select your format to save. You can publish a template that is a finished design or leave it unpublished if you're still working on it. So to recap, for today, we covered a few different features in AdPro, how to select and edit a template, how to use the media library, using layers and the Type tool, and how to import and export. Well, that wraps up this training video. We're always adding new exciting features, so please subscribe to stay up to date with the newest AdPro training videos.